AI plus video generation, Sora, Runway ML, Pika Labs. AI just made your camera useless. This is the future of video creation. Imagine being able to create a cinematic video, a product ad, or even a short film without ever touching a camera, hiring a crew, or spending hours editing. That's exactly what's happening right now with the rise of powerful AI video generation tools like Sora AI Video Generator, Runway ML, and Pika Labs. These tools are turning heads across the creative world, from filmmakers and marketers to content creators and educators, because they make it possible to generate professional-looking videos from simple text prompts. Let's start with what makes this so revolutionary. Until recently, making a high-quality video required significant time, money, and technical skills. You needed a script, actors, a camera setup, lighting, sound, editing software, and a lot of post-production work. Now AI can do all of that from a few sentences. You type in a prompt like, a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and people walking in neon-lit streets, and the AI generates a video that brings that vision to life. No filming, no set design, just pure imagination turned into visuals. Sora, developed by OpenAI, is one of the most talked about tools in this space. It's making waves because of its ability to understand nuanced prompts and generate detailed, realistic videos. Users are calling it a game changer. The Sora AI video generator takes your text and transforms it into visually rich, cinematic sequences that look like something out of a high-budget production. It's not just about visuals either. Sora captures mood, motion, lighting, and style, making the output feel organic and alive. It's easy to see why this tool is going viral across social media and creative communities. Then there's Runway ML, another major player that's been building tools to empower creators with AI. Runway's text-to-video AI allows users to input a prompt and generate scenes that can be used in documentaries, explainer videos, or even music videos. The best part? You don't need to be a pro to use it. A simple Runway ML tutorial can get you up and running in minutes. The tool is designed with accessibility in mind, lowering the barrier for anyone interested in video storytelling. It's not just for hobbyists. Marketing teams, startups, and educators are jumping on board to make content faster, cheaper, and more creatively. Pika Labs is another name gaining momentum. Known for its ease of use and fast rendering, Pika Labs allows creators to generate AI-powered animations and motion visuals using short descriptions. A quick Pika Labs demo is enough to impress even seasoned animators. It's especially popular with short-form content creators on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, where speed and visual impact matter most. Whether you're creating an eye-catching ad, a motion graphic for a song, or just experimenting with visual storytelling, Pika makes the process as simple as typing out your idea. So why is this blowing up now? It's the perfect storm of accessibility, technological advancement, and content demand. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even business sites need constant video content to stay competitive. But not everyone has the time, budget, or skill to produce that kind of content regularly. AI video tools solve this problem. They are fast, affordable, and require no technical background. That's a game changer for solo creators, startups, and small businesses. There's also a deeper shift happening in how we think about creativity. These tools don't replace human creativity, they expand it. You still need to write a compelling prompt, understand your audience, and have a vision. But now, instead of spending weeks executing that vision, AI helps you realize it in minutes. Think of it like having a camera, editing software, and visual effects team all rolled into one tool, powered by your imagination. This wave of AI filmmaking is not just a trend, it's the new standard. Professionals in Hollywood are already experimenting with these tools to storyboard, prototype, and even produce final scenes. Indie filmmakers can tell their stories without big budgets. Marketers can test different video styles for A/B campaigns without hiring a studio. Educators can create visual learning materials without outsourcing. The potential applications are endless. Of course, we're still in the early days. The technology isn't perfect. Some videos can still feel uncanny or lack polish. But progress is happening at lightning speed. Every new version of these tools brings better quality, more realism, and greater control for users. As these models train on more data and improve, we're moving closer to a world where anyone with a good idea can bring it to life visually. No camera required.